Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. At least 3 divisions in 3 parishes that were determined by small margins in the February 26 local government election will be subjected to magisterial recounts. When I hear that, my viewers and subscribers, okay, so magisterial recounts to be held in 3 parishes. All right. You see this, I know, remember, Mark Golden already say he might take them to court. The thing we make you understand is, not because Andrew Holness dip in a 7 parish. I put it like this too. In dip in a 7 parish means say more people vote for him. More people no vote for him and EOJ, me I call out EOJ. EOJ, uno fi come out, or uno fi come out better, make people then can understand. When you write up on uno website, uno fi put out it better so everybody can understand. Because PNP get the most vote. You see, when the people them go up on Monday, you see everybody will go up on Monday. When them done check off everybody will vote. PNP get over 300,000, while Andrew Holness and JLP remain at 280,000. You understand? So PNP get the majority of vote across Jamaica. So my viewers and subscribers, I say Andrew Holness come out and I say win and I link and I something there. Andrew Holness, win. Because as I said, if you have my viewers and subscribers, don't look into it. Not because you're deep in a 7 parish, not because you're deep in a 7 parish. That means you have some people vote from 7 different places. It means say you win. No. Because the people them were good upon the day of Monday when they check it off are over 300,000. So PNP are lead. So I don't understand what EOJ are deal with. I don't understand that, what EOJ are deal with, a thief then thief it. I believe, this is just my opinion. You understand? Because number one, Juliet Holness, what she did I do down at EOJ when the box them a check off. What was Juliet Holness doing at the EOJ when the ballot box them a check off, my viewers and subscribers? Me tell about these people. Me tell about them. What she had do down there? What she not supposed to do? She not supposed to down there. Them the people they under heavy investigation because of corruption. And then really allow her to come down the show she want. Madam Speaker, me tell you no say, Juliet Holness being a Madam Speaker, it's a conflict of interest. The labor right, them the die-hearted labor right will say labor right in them blood, them not gonna see nothing wrong with it. So they never will be fair. You understand? Come here, watch one lady other day. And me hear she say she bought labor right, she bought a blood. Labor right is blood in her body. Me say rotted. So that means if Andrew Holness, if Andrew Holness will strip she down now and take everything what she have, they not gonna change nothing. Rotted wall. When me hear the woman say so, me say, wow, Jamaica people them dance, them fully dance. And I have some little termites that come over here, show me a call on a fly batty gal. Go on a fly batty gal, go. Una fly batty girl from una follow behind green people them. Uno a follow behind Andrew Holness. Una fly batty girl. A go on for go. Una have no wisdom, no knowledge. Una have no dignity. Look how much things Andrew Holness put on the show. Una thinks that Andrew Holness, una want Andrew Holness for continue to be Prime Minister. Una just remember say Mark Golden did back on right through. Right through Mark Golden back on and have on back. So if I don't want Andrew Holness win, Andrew Holness, say my claim the victory, say win. Uno look what Andrew Holness I go do to uno. Uno not see nothing yet. I say everything when say I'm go do, including the car, I say him I go bring back everything. In just a wait till he's strong up there. Wait, I wanna see. In just a wait till Jamaica turn republic. I say I go there to bring the news, broadcast the news. Hey, and me now go me. I got the on Andrew Holness side at the time. Them I go say, yes, Andrew Holness, take away every blasted thing. Think Andrew Holness don't take on the land yet. Uno no see nothing yet. So uno people we build on house and things so uno safe. Uno have a next thing coming. Uno Andrew I go sell uno with uno pan uno land. Uno I go see. So when you come out and have a go at me, uno think say, oh, a PNP may I pick up for. Uno fi have sense. Uno stupid. When me look on it, me say, uno no have no sense. Uno fi go learn, man. Uno go get some knowledge and understanding. Too much technology is out for uno no know where Andrew Holness a do. Uno back way. Uno shame the whole country. Me can't believe. Look how Andrew Holness deal with uno brother. And a Mark Golding have uno back. So through Andrew Holness, him go on some chicken. Wait there, as me talk about chicken, me hear somebody I talk about JLP not giving no money. One woman, was say JLP not giving no money. And JLP give her money. We have video there all over lady. Lady, you know yourself, we come out and I talk about JLP not giving them. They ain't give them money, video they all over food and care package, everything they ain't give it. So when me hear when I talk them something there, me have to come off of phone alive. Me have to say what this here. When I hear ya, me realize say all when Andrew a kill uno no mind. You understand? But me realize say uno no for uno say uno a Christian. Me no know what uno say uno a Christian but and uno doing a politics. Because no for uno say uno a Christian. And I serve man. I serve Andrew Holness. And I say uno lick uno blasted head. Uno lick uno head, man. Uno not have no sense. Uno fi go learn, man. Go learn some sense. Go beg God fi open up on the third eye. Go beg God fi open up on the third eye. When me say Andrew Holness, listen, you say if Andrew Holness is the win, you know I'm going to take Andrew Holness way down near tonight if you come celebrate. It's just a pretense. So they thief it and they know what them do. You see, Clarendon, a PNP get Clarendon. But me tell you, I already said the vote, a majority of people who vote across Jamaica is for PNP. This is why PNP forget the winnings. Plus in a Kingston and St. Andrew and KSMACC, whatever they call it, them the place there, PNP hold it, the two mayors. Hey, Andrew Holness, you have to go sit down, brother. You have to go sit down. You're not ready yet. You're not ready yet. And God, you see you come out and say I confess and come out and say ask for forgiveness. Una wicked. Una wicked. My viewers and subscribers, hear this. My viewers and subscribers, it is a disgrace. Andrew Holness will go sign some more agreement. It is a disgrace. Andrew Holness will turn Jamaica and Batman country. Everybody laugh at Jamaica now, and say, watch them. But they no love him. Rainbow. Could them? They Prime Minister go sign some more agreement. One no shame. But it look like when labor right, when love it bad. That's why. When I really love because we want to vote for Andrew and go on for Andrew, And I love your rainbow. Andrew legalize rainbow. Wanna shame we, man. Wanna shame we. No, sir. My viewers and subscribers, wanna tell me what you think. 15 members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force will travel to Brazil for a training program aimed at improving their skills in the area of community policing. Speaking to the selected members at a ceremony in Kingston on Friday, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson says the program called COBAN is based on a policing model developed by the Japanese. So, JCF, why una send the people them go all the way to Brazil? When una say people come from America for train, So how comes una send people? Sometimes I don't understand una, I don't understand una just like waste money. Una just like to waste money. That's all una good for. Una say how America out there train up people. So how comes una send people now go all the way to Brazil because una want to learn Japanese training called Koban. Una torment, una don't have a thing for do. Una don't have a thing for do. All una like for do a waste money, waste taxpayers' money. That's all Andrew Holness good for. You and Andrew. You, Anthony Anderson, yeah, Andrew Holness and Horace Chang, who no like for waste money because people come for training. Now, who no want to learn Japanese training. Who no have a thing for the one who want to learn Japanese training. The Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, has accused the PNP of undermining the country's democratic institutions and eroding public confidence in them by spreading false news of their so-called victory. Okay, my viewers and subscribers, want to hear what Andrew Holness say? Andrew Holness has said these things, Listen, number one, yeah, we can't undermine them. You know why? You know why we can undermine them? Juliet Holness was at the office while ballot box account. Him uno fi disqualified from it. Uno fi disqualify from seeking office. You hear me? So that's number one. Number one, what the House Speaker I do down there? When ballot box account, why was the House Speaker there? So we can undermine them. PNP can undermine them. And Jamaican people can undermine them. They're not credible. Because they wouldn't allow Juliet Holness down there. Juliet Holness shouldn't do that. So, you think the people are idiot? You think say everybody a fool? I just show the one them on the ground now no sense. And the labor right them, they not go see that. Them not go see what happen. You understand? Because them want doing, because they shame like a dog, When Cliff Hughes come out and call out say a PNP win, then shame like a dog. You can't even hear, you're not even hear them sneeze, much less fi cough. Me I telling you my viewers and subscribers. So anybody has spread false news is Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness should be disqualified, number one, from seeking office. Number two, him under investigation. He is under investigation. He not supposed to run for no office. You understand what I show you? Because since as Andrew Holness I go on like he love Jamaica. Yeah? And him going like him not undermine Jamaica. Do the right thing and resign Andrew Holness because they know say you're under investigation. And you know say Juliet Holness shouldn't down at EOJ when ballot box account. And you fit disqualified from it and EOJ, them are not good people. Them are wicked too. EOJ, them are wicked too. Because if them allow the House of Speaker to come down there when time ballot box are check off, them stay just like a Andrew Holness. They not have nothing about them. Nothing. They're not credible. They're not credible. And when me see on green people run behind Andrew Holness, me know say uno really lack of knowledge. And too much technology there right now for uno no know what go on. For uno no know what go on. Look how much things Andrew Holness do to uno. Uno things that Andrew Holness now bring up back all them something there. While when COVID time, look how much Andrew Holness a charge on a mask when no other country now do, where people are dead flying. And they not think about that for charge people. Them a lock up people and a put people in a cell where people sick more. You like, and then go on like say Andrew Holness like and care about Andrew Holness not like nothing about the money. The money and she knows saying the whole heap of ranks, he no want he will do anything. Me say it already, say me not trust the EOJ, don't it? Who remember? Me say me not trust the EOJ for a long time. From when Andrew Holness go behind the opposition leader back and go have a conversation with them and tell them to take on the role of a political ombudsman. Me tell you, say me not trust the EOJ. And I was right. Everything, look, I was right. Me not trust them at all because look what them do. Then take 5 days for run off ballot box. And on labor right, no in no heart, On labor right, I come over here. I come comment. And say I go on if you go. Me tell you, say only people with the wisdom I want over here, so And no have no wisdom, so I no want to over here. Labor right, no come over here. Come comment nothing. Don't come over here, come comment foolishness. No go whisper the dunceness there. Because no dunceness no over here, so. You understand me? Everybody we over here, so full of wisdom. Go back over one of dunce people there. Because we don't have no damn sense. No sense we don't have. PNP get the majority of vote across Jamaica, over 300,000. While JLP get 260 or 70,000. You understand what I try to show you? So how the hell Andrew Holness will win? How the hell Andrew Holness will win? EOJ, when we come out good. And we don't want on the back. We want the EOJ to change And we don't want them to have we don't want them to take on no role of no political ombudsman to work things in Andrew Holness' favor. We don't want that. Andrew Holness, remember, say you're corrupt, brother. So when you come out and talk about undermine and stuff, remember, say you're corrupt. So you can't go nowhere with that. You can't go quote with that. Because even the courthouse knows that you're corrupt. Everybody knows that you're #1 top scammer in Jamaica. You understand? And you do not mean Jamaican people well. Else you go sign some more agreement. You're going to legalize the rainbow. I look like that they love the green people. They don't know sense. No. Uno make everybody a laugh after every country a laugh after now. And say, look upon them. You used to hype, but they don't want no rainbow in their country. Look upon them now, eh? Look upon them a come out of their shell. No shame. And you always disrespect the Christianity community and disrespect with culture. Really. That's why I know that there's no brave Jamaican anymore. But if fight off on the brothers and sisters, that is what you're good for. If you come out and fight and kill off on the brothers and sisters. But the man we are killing us slowly, you can't see that. You go down and through lack of knowledge, you go perish. You go perish. May God have mercy on the ones them will have the knowledge. May God have mercy on them. You understand? Because I know in a situation like this, the good I go suffer for the bad. But may God hide them underneath the rock. Yeah? Because and you always come out and you confess this, and you confess that, and you confess this, and you ask for forgiveness. You're a wicked man. You don't love Jamaica. If you love Jamaica, you resign. If you disqualify, where the PSAJ there? Where them there? PSOJ, me I call uno out, uno one next one. Uno allow Andrew Holness to get away with everything. Everything. But it's true because we have wisdom and we have knowledge. The people them on the ground, some of them then have none. We have to call uno out because uno know as well say Andrew Holness is corruption. And uno do nothing about it. Uno say nothing about it because uno a labor right. Uno need you see uno, the whole of uno fi go down. All the Governor General, everything Andrew Holness say, he agreed to just because the whole of them are labor right. And Andrew Holness are mashed down. Una make infrastructure fool, Una make infrastructure fool, Una so silly. Una no see when two election come, Andrew Holness run up and down and a throw a mall and a throw and a throw stone for fix the road. And that the man there una run behind her. Una say una no blasted sense. Una no sense. Somebody will legalize rainbow in our country. Have flag cock up America embassy. And uno no see nothing wrong with that. You see uno is something else. Uno is something else. Uno Jamaica people. Yeah. Remember, other countries, people in the world know what we stand up for. We stand up for rights and justice. Yeah. Everybody know. So when they see Andrew Holness go sign some more agreement, they know say uno gone like a kite. Uno gone and uno going like uno alright with that. No worry, man. Uno no worry. Uno go get what they do get. I'm tell you when Andrew Holness come back again and start beat on the bad, I will be the one to help Andrew beat on. Because now, I not go pick up phone. I go say, yes, Andrew, I like the way you deal with them. Because that you know want. Andrew, you know want legacy, you know want. Legacy, you know go and get underneath, you know clot. My viewers and subscribers, like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. You know, big up on the nice clean self. I'm out.